From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Yerevan offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home. From Yerevan, Garni Temple and Geghard tour with Lavash baking. The tour commences at the capital city of Armenia, Yerevan, where travelers board their vehicles to proceed towards the first scheduled destination, the Garni Temple. Constructed in 77 AD, this ancient structure remains the sole surviving pagan temple of the post-Soviet era. Nestled atop a lofty plateau, the temple offers panoramic vistas over the Azat River Gorge, providing an unparalleled view of the surrounding landscape. Inside, visitors can marvel at the impressive Greek-Roman bathhouse, adorned with a mosaic composed of 30 individual stone fragments, while also exploring the remnants of the once thriving royal palace, dating back to the 3rd century AD. Following the exploration of Garni Temple, the itinerary unfolds to the next significant landmark, the Geghard Monastery complex. This architectural marvel serves as a testament to the historical significance of the area, symbolizing the lance used by Roman soldiers to pierce Christ's side during his crucifixion. This relic, preserved within the monastery since the 4th century, is listed among UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. As the tour concludes, the group heads towards the Symphonies of Stones Gorge, a geological wonder known for its striking resemblance to the architecture of a church organ. Originating from the very beginning of the canyon, these massive basalt columns, reaching heights of nearly 100 meters, create a visually captivating scene that highlights the unique characteristics of the region. Throughout the journey, guests will have the opportunity to appreciate the diverse cultural and natural heritage sites, ensuring an enriching experience that combines history, art, and nature. Armenia, full-day cultural tour with Alphabet Monument visit. Following hotel pickup, proceed to the Aragatsasson province to explore the rich tapestry of Armenian modern architecture, notably the Alphabet Monument. Nestled within the Alphabet Garden, visitors can marvel at the intricate carvings of each letter of the alphabet etched into tufa stone. Capture this iconic site as a photograph featuring your initials alongside the snow-capped Mount Aragats in the picturesque backdrop. Next, venture towards the breathtaking Noravank Monastery, situated at the foot of a stunning canyon. This ancient religious site offers a serene retreat amidst natural beauty. Upon reaching Ashtarak village, immerse yourself in the warm hospitality of local Armenians, who prepare authentic specialities just for you. Experience firsthand the tradition of Armenian flatbread lavash, by observing its preparation under expert guidance. In conclusion, enjoy a seamless return journey to your accommodation in Yerevan, ensuring a safe and comfortable transition through every aspect of your trip. From Yerevan, Lake Sevan and Dilijan full-day tour. Embark on a captivating journey through the breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage of northern Armenia. This itinerary encompasses a series of remarkable natural wonders and historical sites, providing visitors with an unforgettable experience. Upon arrival, begin your exploration with Sevan Lake, located at an altitude of 1900 meters above sea level. This vast volcanic lake offers panoramic views of towering mountain ranges, complemented by clear turquoise waters. The lake is flanked by peaks reaching heights exceeding 3,000 meters. As you approach the shoreline, marvel at the picturesque medieval church complex nestled atop the peninsula, constructed in 874 during the reign of King Ashot Bagratuni's daughter, Princess Mariam. The architectural blend of Byzantine and Armenian styles creates a unique visual spectacle against the backdrop of azure skies. Next, venture towards Noravank Monastery, an architectural gem dating back to 874. Constructed on the peninsula, this sacred site features a striking silhouette against the serene lake and ethereal blue sky. Your visit will offer a profound appreciation for the harmonious integration of nature and human craftsmanship within this tranquil environment. As you continue your tour, make a brief detour to Dilijan, a charming village nestled along the banks of the Akstev River. Known for its thermal springs and mild climate, Dilijan serves as a retreat for those seeking respite from the elements. Its proximity to lush greenery and verdant hills adds to its appeal as a wellness destination. After a leisurely lunch at a local cafe or restaurant, proceed to Noravank Monastery. Founded by renowned scholar Enkitar Ghosh, this architectural masterpiece comprises multiple religious structures and secular buildings. Be sure to pause momentarily to appreciate the prominent Kashkar cross stone, standing prominently in front of the main basilica. This iconic piece of Armenian artistry dates back to 1291 and showcases the exquisite workmanship of skilled artisans. Finally, conclude your journey with a visit to Geghard Monastery, situated amidst the dense forest of the Tavush region. Established in the 10th–11th centuries, this historic site includes notable churches such as Saint Cap, Grigor, Saint Astvatsatsin, Holy Mother of God, and Saint Stepanos. The immense oak tree, thought to be nearly as old as the monastery itself, adds another layer of natural beauty to the setting. Recently restored by Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed al-Qasimi, the ruler of Sharjah, this restoration underscores the importance placed on preserving this architectural legacy. Throughout the day, immerse yourself in the diverse array of experiences offered by this region. From the sublime beauty of Sevan Lake to the spiritual allure of Geghard Monastery, every corner reveals its own story waiting to be explored. Return to the designated location in an air-conditioned vehicle upon completion of your tour. From Yerevan, Khorvirap, Noravank, and Areni Winery Day Trip. Khorvirap Monastery, situated approximately 1 hour from the capital city of Yerevan, boasts an unparalleled vantage point over Armenia's iconic landmark. This historic monastic complex, named after its location within a deep underground chamber, stands atop the remnants of the former royal prison, which once occupied the historically significant site of Artashat. As one of the holiest sites for Armenians worldwide, Khorvirap continues to hold immense spiritual significance. The tour itinerary includes a visit to Areni Cave, also known as Bird's Cave, where in 2008 archaeologists unearthed some of the world's earliest artifacts, including a leather shoe and a winery dating back to the early Bronze Age. Situated along the Apa River in the town of Areni, this archaeological site showcases intricate burial rites and sophisticated farming techniques predating other discoveries by millennia. Noravank, another architectural marvel, stands out as one of Armenia's premier medieval structures, perched gracefully amidst the rugged brick red cliffs at the conclusion of the Nishik Canyon. Post-tour, visitors are afforded the opportunity to savor and perhaps even purchase Armenia's celebrated Areni wine. Sourced exclusively from the oldest grape variety globally, crafted in various wineries scattered throughout Areni town. These experiences collectively provide a comprehensive exploration of Armenia's rich cultural heritage, making each journey a profound encounter with the country's ancient past and contemporary traditions.